The JARC conference is a very timely initiative to examine the evaluations that have been made with respect to this whole initiative of the Joint Agencies Response to Crime, where the Probation Service, the Prison Service and the Gardaí have come together to work together to target prolific offenders and to try and get them to change their ways, to stop offending. The evidence we've been presented with this morning is very exciting, very interesting, and it does show in fact that where this initiative and this approach has been used, that crime has dropped, that the number of offences has dropped, and that quite a number of offenders have decided to give up crime fully, which is what we all want. And that benefits victims, it benefits the communities, and it also benefits the offenders themselves. The emphasis is on a different way of working, and people, the different agencies actually working together. So whereby resources are required, it's not as resource intensive as people might expect. I think it's best practice, and I think it's something that has happened in other jurisdictions as well. We're learning from other jurisdictions too, and we're quite interested in the evaluations that we've seen this morning. It doesn't work in every case, of course, but the evidence is that it is very, very positive and really beneficial and cost effective. Well, I believe firmly that the earlier you can intervene with people, the better, in order to divert people away from crime. And this particular approach is also now being used on a pilot basis in Cork and in Dublin in select areas to try and divert young people away from crime, to get in early. So if you can get in early and you can get people, young people, to make a decision not to be involved in crime, not to be involved in antisocial behaviour, you're saving lives and you're building lives for the future. And again, it's helping victims, it's helping communities, and it's helping the young people themselves. So this is something I'm very interested in, and I want to see how that's working now too. The initial reports we're getting are very, very positive, and if that's the case, then I'd like to see it to roll this out nationwide in time.